no talking because we knew कि यार कोनो কথা হবে না আর কেন এবার কথা হবে because the change of school and everything. So then what class 11 এর কথা আমরা বলিনি I guess 11 এর শেষের দিকে
হ্যাঁ 11 এর শেষে সঞ্জু রিলিজ and then
দাঁড়া সঞ্জুতের আগে তো কথাটা বলতে হবে 11 এর শেষের দিকে হঠাৎ করে একদিন I think randomly we started talking I think WhatsApp এ we started talking like কিছু একটা মুভি টুভি নিয়ে হয়তো মনে হয়
I had I mean bad experience in school that everyone
and then she told me ki all those things happened to her and I told her the same thing happened with me too and we like মানে there was a thing that like ওদের সাথে না কথা I don't think আমি কখনো তোর সাথে কথা বলতে
I had a very good best friend like oh my god thank god she dissed me
so she ditched her and she had a very horrible experience she talked to me and I also had kind of similar problem because I also like got off with my best friend but also things went my best friend also happened like very bad thing happens with us so I also had no best friend I kind of like forgot that term like I used to hate the term best friend so then we talked and then we were like you know let's get together so আমাদের like এটা local mall তো we like get together to watch Sanju honestly waste of time and waste of money we paid like 190
আচ্ছা আমরা সঞ্জু আগে দেখেছিলাম না ওই ফিল্ম
কোনটা আগে ছিল না পুজোয় দেখেছিলাম সঞ্জুটা আমরা জুন আর জুলাইতে দেখেছিলাম জুনে দেখেছিলাম বিকজ জুলাইতে আমি বাবার সাথে সিনেমা দেখেছিলাম এনিওয়েজ তো দেন উই ওয়েন্ট টু ওয়াচ সঞ্জু and honestly সিনেমাটা এত বড় ছিল যে we had to talk with each other it was so awkward again because we didn't know কি বলবো because we don't like know shit then we sat for hours almost I think 3 to 4 hours আমরা পুরো বকেছি and we were like সব যত গল্প ছিল like সব like sadness breakups
and
breakup
before that we are not that similar but that
thing like made us like okay there's something in common because we never had anything in common still we don't have a lot of things in common but we like make it work
it's nice that we don't
so we were like talking and then finally went home then I think Puja's show we again made plans to meet and watch a movie as it was a waste of time what my best friend she was not my best friend she was one of my closest friends anyway I wanted her to be my best friend but oh yeah do you can't be best friends I mean you can but it just didn't fit it that much but she is one of my very good friends anyways so a lot of drama even happened with my ex-best friends and everything but we are still not best friends and then I think we went to college and when we entered college it was a completely new world for us like we are leaving home and we are going so far in new town and so like it was so far and there was not a single person we knew and still তো তোর কলেজে কেউ ছিল চেনা বাট তুই কথা বলতিস না বার্থডে মনে ছিল বাট স্টিল আমার কলেজে এটা কমপ্লিটলি নিউ এক্সপেরিয়েন্স মানে প্রথম থেকে আমরা কেন আমি এত দূর এলাম দেন আই হার্ড কি ও আমাদের কলেজের বিল্ডিংটা লাইক আমার কলেজ এখানে আর একটা টার্ন নিলেই ওর কলেজের বিল্ডিংটা সো ইট ওয়াজ প্রিটি ক্লোজ ইভেন আমরা একসাথে কলেজে গেছি অনেকদিন আর ফিরতে আমরা অর্ধেক দিনই so it was like the first year I think was the best experience আর তারপরে তো লকডাউন হয়ে গেল বাট তখন we started like hanging with each other every single day almost like সবসময় আমরা কখন তো ছুটি হচ্ছে আমার টাইমে এক্সাম শেষ হচ্ছে অনেক টাইমে আমাদের সারপ্রাইজ দেখা হচ্ছে সেটা এক্সাম দিয়ে দাঁড়িয়েছিল সেটাকে ডাকলাম গাছেটা বললে তো like তখন like আমাদের all the time we were meeting আর এতটা টাইম লাগতো বাসে আসতে like 2 hours লেগে যেত like কথা বলতে তখন আসলে কেউ ছিল না আমাদের কলেজে যে ওই জায়গাটাতে আমাদের থাকতো যারা থাকতো আসলে অত বলতাম না কারণ কি ওরা সব পাঠ ভবনে পড়েছিল আর আমরা আলাদা ছেড়ে দিয়েছিলাম তো we were like okay we have to like suddenly I don't know how we became best friends so like I think ওই আর কি we everyday দেখা হতো we were like okay so then we became best friends and I mean I don't used to believe in that like
the thing is ki I can tell her everything I tell her everything and she don't judge she's a judgy person
I'm very judgy person
she don't judge me at all
and also same goes for me like she never judged like I told her like weird shit
like we can talk about anything it's like
all of my like like best friends like somewhere they used to judge for a lot of things I don't know about those things but this is like the first person who like didn't judge me for who I am so I was like okay I'm friends with her I mean she doesn't used to be like that but you never used to judge but you were very irritating but then I started loving her like it is irritating thing like I was like okay she's like I used to find her very cool like she was very intimidating I think I think আমি তোর সাথে কথা বলতাম না I think
Yeah,
খুব
I was
intimidating
cooler
ছিলিস।
than her, that's
হ্যাঁ,
why.
but that was not cool, মানে এখন now I look back, that was very irritating, খুব বোকা বোকা জিনিস নিয়ে কথা বলতে, but আমার সাথে cool লাগতো, because no one in my friend circle used to talk about those things. Like, একটা simple bracelet নিয়ে কথা, or simple like, you know, hair tie নিয়ে কথা, like, এটা was cool. Like, no one used to do it. Anyway, so that's how we become best friends.
It's 20 minutes video now.
It's like people make 1 hour video of how they met, those married couples. You never know, we will actually end up getting married in.
Yeah, we will get married and we will not invite you.
We'll vlog for sure. Yeah.
We will not get married. Oh my god.
We have a lot of plans actually, and so I don't know how that's gonna go, but I want to film this video for a very long time, and so we finally did it. And I think how long? How many years?
What years?
We are like friends. I think যদি আমি ক্লাস 4 থেকে ধরছি, 4 থেকে কোনো ফ্রেন্ড ছিল না, তো আমি 6 থেকে ধরছি, তো 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ফার্স্ট ইয়ার সেকেন্ড ইয়ার, it's
Third year now.
থার্ড ইয়ার, হ্যাঁ মানে ওই আর কি 10 years 9 year 9 and 9.5 years, but best friends আমরা recently like 3 years I think হয়েছে, but we know each other for a very long time. Who cares?
We don't really track time or dates or it's not
Because
bullshit.
last time the longest friendship I had was for 7 years, more than 7 years I think. I think it was for 13 years I think with Mono. তোর কত ছিল? তো এরা our best friends I think. How long was it?
It was like, what's my age?
20.
Oh yeah. It's like 17
Yeah,
years.
yeah. So yeah. Okay. So we're gonna end it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.